Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best windshield wipers for Honda Pilot in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best windshield wipers for Honda Pilot that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Trico Ice 35 to 220 Extreme Weather Winter Wiper Blade. The Trico Ice 35 to 220 windshield wipers are specially designed to protect Honda Pilot drivers from extreme winter weather. This blade features a synthetic blend armor that protects critical wiper components from ice and snow and makes these blades durable enough to withstand even the most extreme conditions. The wiper arms are made in one piece, which gives the blade a flexible movement. It's also made from a reinforced sheet material that can withstand the pressure of snow and ice without breaking. Even better, they're designed for easy installation, which is always a plus when using them in sub-zero temperatures. This product is very durable, so it won't crack or tear when ice builds up on your windshield. Designed with increased flexibility and curvature for modern windshield shapes, these winter weather wiper blades are available in sizes from 13 to 28. Moving on at number 4. We have the Michelin 8522 Stealth Ultra Windshield Wiper Blade. Michelin is a trusted name in the automotive industry, manufacturing premium quality Honda Pilot wiper blades that deliver long-lasting performance. They are easy to install and perform well in most conditions. They appear to be well built, and the multiple hinge points on the blades help them conform to the shape of the windshield. The area around each hinge is also designed to resist snow and ice buildup. Michelin brand has added wiper blades to its product lines, using the highest quality, highly durable premium rubber for smooth, quiet operation in extreme weather conditions. The Ultra Hybrid Wiper Blade features an exclusive and patented SmartFlex technology that easily adapts to the unique curvature of the windshield to provide more efficient coverage for optimal performance. These wiper blades protect windshields from snow, ice, and various road debris, making this an all-weather wiper blade designed for durability and flexibility of use. At number 3, we have the Aero Voyager OEM quality premium windshield wiper blades. The Aero Voyager premium windshield wipers for Honda Pilot are suitable for all weather conditions and offer longer lasting performance. It has a flexible back for excellent contact with the windshield at every turn, ensuring the best and most efficient performance. The aerodynamic design significantly reduces wind force, noise, and drag, while the non-iron wiper blade helps prevent ice and snow buildup. Unlike other wiper blades on the market, Aero replacement parts are sold as pairs and sets of many different sizes, making them a cost-effective option. They offer good performance all year round. Besides, this wiper blade also comes with spare refill blades and is priced so low that it makes sense to buy an extra box and keep it in the car for emergencies. Installing these wiper blades is also very easy. These sheets come standard with a smaller number of accessories for different types of connectors to ease the assembly process. At number 2, we have the Rain-X 5079280-1 Latitude Wiper Blade. The Rain-X wiper blade offers excellent rainy weather protection for your Honda Pilot. The aerodynamic blades effortlessly cleared the heavy rain from your vehicle's windshield. It features weather defense technology that provides high protection and enhanced protection against ozone, extreme temperature changes, normal wear and tear, and the damaging effects of sunlight's UV rays. Thanks to the universal adapter, Latitude wiper blades fit 96% of vehicles without the need for special tools. Along with their innovative universal adapter technology, these wiper blades offer the durability you can count on. Its unique contoured construction is designed to apply even pressure to the windshield along the entire length of the blade for a cleaner wipe every time. Without a doubt, it is one of the most durable wiper blades on the market. So if you prefer rubber blades over silicone ones for their quality and durability, Rain-X Endura is one of the best silicone wiper blades you can buy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch Icon 26, a wiper blade. Bosch is the leading name in product development for the automotive industry. Its Icon 26, a wiper blade product, is the most compatible and best-fitting wiper blade for Honda Pilot. What sets this product apart is that it is tough enough to withstand the winter weather and last through the rest of the year as well. These sheets are easy to install, and the beam-like design maintains good contact with the windshield. An integrated spoiler is also part of the Bosch Icon design and promotes contact with the windshield at higher speeds. According to the manufacturer, it offers up to 40% longer service life than other premium blades. It is also resistant to cracking from prolonged exposure to ozone. The double locking feature of this wipe blade makes installation easy without the need for professional technician help. Price-wise, Bosch wiper blades are generally expensive compared to other brands, but you also get the premium benefits you pay for. All of these points make it one of the top-rated Honda Pilot wiper blades you can buy right now.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.